ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. 9 means 9 table, 99 table and 999. Okay, come on. 9, go on writing 9 in a descending order. 9 to 0. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
That is 9.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It's a 9 to 0 in a descending order. Now reverse it. Means 0 to 9 in a ascending order. Come on.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, 1 minute. No 10. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now which is the table we got here?
9.
Table of 9. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we want to make here table of 99. 99. Just you have to write down the 99999 all lines in the middle.
9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9.
This is the table of 99. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Again, now I want here table of 999. Okay, come on.
9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9.
Okay, now this is the table of 999. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Wow, no news is good news. Good, very nice, smart students. Now let us see the problems. Numbers clear ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ? Number clear, okay. Okay, next now let us start some of the problems here. The techniques, how to solve the maths in a Vedic system. Vedic maths. Vedic maths is a very super. It's a mother of universal knowledge. Okay, come on. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ಅರ್ಧ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ನಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಿಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ
ನಂಬರ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ.
ಎಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಕಮ್ ಆನ್. ನೌ ಸೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1 plus 2 plus dash 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 up to 10. Addition of 1 to 10 numbers continuously. Then half of 10 is 5. Then repeat this 5. This is 55. Understand? Yes, come on. If we are adding 100 numbers, half of the 100 is 50. Repeat this 50. Yes, 5050. Suppose if we are adding 1 plus 2 plus dash dash plus 1000. What is the half of 1000? 500. Okay, 500. Repeat this 500. Okay, this is the answer. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next technique. Come on. Say we are adding here 1 to 10 numbers. Any 10 numbers or 20 or 50 or more or less or mix up. Then say 31 plus 32 plus dash 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 up to 40 means we are adding here 10 numbers. Then there is a Vedic technique. Add 4 to the first one. 31 plus 4
35.
35. Now repeat this one 5. Yes,
350.
this is the answer. Understand?
Yes, sir.
ನೋಡಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 5 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 5 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸೀದಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಕಮ್ ಆನ್, ಅನದರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್, ಕಮ್ ಆನ್. Say 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 1 1. That is 1 11 111 and 1111. Is it right?
Yes.
Now addition of this. We started with 1 and ended with 1 1 1 1 4 times. Is it clear?
Yes.
4 ones. Then its answer is, its addition is 1 2 3 4.
4.
This is the answer. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, let us see how this can be written in different form. Come on. Say, this is 1 plus 1 1 means 11. That is 1 ones in it, another in tens. Next, 1 1 1. 1 in it, tens and 100. Next, 4 ones means in it, tens,
Tens and 100.
1000. Add this all. 4.
3.
Okay, this is the answer. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, this is the schooling method and this is the Vedic method. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, let us jump to another technique. Now, say this is 1 1 1 1. It's a square. That is, how many ones are there?
4.
4. Then its answer is 1 2 3 4. Squaring means multiplication. Means this answer becomes multiple system. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ, 4ರವರೆಗೆ ಏರಿಕೆ ಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ 1ವರೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಎಸ್, ಕಮ್ ಆನ್. 1 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇನ್ನು 1 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3 2 1. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Square of 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if there are 1 1 1 1 1 means 8 ones are there. What will be the answer? If there are 8 ones, otherwise let us write here 1 1 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. ಒಂದನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ. 8 9 8 1 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು?
3 4 5 6 7 8. 6 5 4 3 2 1.
Wow, super, very nice. What is that? 1 2
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
ಇಲ್ಲ 8. Next
7 6 5 4 3 2 1.
this is the answer. ವೇದಿಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಗೋಡೆಯಿಂದ ಆ ಗೋಡೆವರೆಗೆ ಎಂಥ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಎಸ್, ಕಮಾನ್ ಕಮಾನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸೇ another technique. Say 87 into 6. This is your everyday problem. And it's a very basic problem. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then 6 8s are 48. 6 7s are
42.
42.
2.
See that here? This is the table of 8 and this is the table of 7.
7.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, here are 2 digits. Then divide the second one.
Yes.
Divide second one. Take these 2 direct in answer.
2.
And this 4 should be added here in the first group. What is the addition? 48 plus 4. 52.
2.
Okay, this is the answer. Understand?
Yes, sir.
ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮುಗೀತದು. ಎಸ್, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಾಯಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಕಮ್ ಆನ್. 98 into 9. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 9 8 7. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಓಕೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಯಾರು ಈಗ ಮಾತಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಈಗ ಒಂಚೂರು. ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಥ ಲೆಕ್ಕಗಳು A to Z ಬಾಯಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಬರ್ತವೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಜಗತ್ತದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ. 9 8 72. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 72 ಅದರ 2 ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಆನ್ಸರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ತಕ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಉಳಿತೇನು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ? 7. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 9 9s
81.
81 plus that 7.
88.
88. Wow. This is answer.
882.
This is answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಒಂದು 4-5 ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. A to Z ನಿಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಕಮ್ ಆನ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಓಕೆ, another technique here. Say 406 into 6. 406 into 6. This is called a middle zero technique. 6 4s are 24. 6 6s are
36.
okay. This is answer. ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮುಗಿತ್ರೆ ಅದು. If there is single zero, no zero in answer. If there are 2 zeros, single zero, no zero in answer. If there are 2 zeros, 1 zero in answer. If there are 3 zeros,
2 zeros answer.
wow, super, smart student. 9 zeros,
8 zeros answer.
now I am giving one question to you. Can you answer?
Yes.
Come on. 7 0 0 0 8 into 9. What will be the answer?
63. 872.
Is it clear?
Yes.
What is that? 9 sevens are 63. 4 zeros means 3 zeros. 9 eights are answer. Yes, okay. Okay. Now, let us see another technique. Another technique. Come on. Come on. Come on. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡು, ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿರಾಲಿ. ಸಿರಾಲಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ತಾಲೂಕಾ ಭಟ್ಕಲ್ ತಾಲೂಕಾ ಸಿರಾಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಬಾಲಮಂದಿರ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. I have given here some special techniques that belongs to Vedic maths. Just I noticed that all the students of the school means 8th, 9th and 10th English medium schools are Balamandir, Shirali, Bhatkal Taluka. These all are answering orally, very nicely, very clearly, very easily. Concerned to that one, I am making one video here. Let us see that how they are answering by the help of Vedic technique here. Just I have given some ideas here. Especially now I am giving them one question, that is a squaring for the numbers ending in 5. That is square of 105. That I am giving here. Let us see that how the students are answering. Just 1 minute. Please come. Take your seat. Yes, come on. Now, do you want to answer commonly or individually? Yes, commonly. Okay. Okay, let us see that. Square of 105. Whenever I say start, then start. But you have to answer in a slow manner. Like that. 1, 2, like this. Okay. Not in a hurry up system. Okay. Yes. Square of 105. Yes, easier. That 11,025, like that. Okay, once again. 11,025 is the square of 105. Is it right? Yes. Very nice. Please, your school name, anyone, otherwise, please, madam, principal madam, that your school name and how do you feel about this one? Madam, please come here. That is flash we are getting. Yes, madam.
Good morning, everyone. It's really pleasant to meet Mr. He is here to give tips for our students for all the classes from the high school. Actually, requested from the primary section, but we were busy with the classes. We have scheduled only for the high school section, and really my children have enjoyed here. He has taught the squaring method and even the calculating method, multiplication also through the Vedic maths, and I hope my children have really benefited from this, and this will be a benefit for them for their future education also. We are from Srimad Sadyojata Shankarashrama Swamiji English Medium School Balamandira from Shirali, Bhatkal Taluk. Thank you so much for being with us.
Yes, thank you, madam. Thank you. Okay. How do you feel about this Vedic maths? Easier or tough? Easier. Yeah, very nice. Okay, anyhow, that your school committee members and all that seniors and our principal and all the staff members, teaching, non-teaching, all that students give me very special chance to explain my ideas here. For that, I am very thankful to one and all. Thank you very much. Just 1 minute. Take like this. 1 minute. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Yes. Okay.